Hi, in the previous videos I have mentioned that why God forbid eating pig. So this, first of all, we should know that this forbid is not super strict. So if you have to eat, like whoever is forced by severe hunger with no inclination to sin, God is forgiving and merciful. So there are several theories about pig meat. So first of all, from the Quran, God is not saying that pig is unhealthy to eat. It doesn't say. I know. It doesn't say that it is like dirty. So, and the reason is, so why? And now I think with technology they can clean pig meat very well. So I think why this is forbidden is about the pigs and their social behaviors and pain mechanism. So another thing is, I think the reason why it's forbidden is that they're feeling pain and social pain also. And so you can still say that. So they're feeling pain. That's what, and once you start eating pig systematically, what you do, you will produce pigs in the farms, and you are cutting it. You creating a method to slaughter these animals, and you produce them, you kill them. You produce them, you kill them. It is a cycle of pain. If the pig is more conscious animal. So in the literature, there are studies about many animals. Like for example, they can say like why eating dog is not forbidden, because people feel that dog shouldn't be eaten, and they will actually cut pig to eat, right? So that's why God is making you part of the exam, and it also shows how God is merciful. And with these verses, we see that God keeps saying merciful. God doesn't want those pigs to suffer and produce and kill. And I had interaction with some pigs, and I observed them. I see them like a dog. Interestingly, they are smarter than I expected. And another thing, some atheists can ask, what if they don't feel much pain? So this is one of the possibilities. So you kill them painlessly. Now the technology is improved. So now the verse is changed and eating pig is okay? No. Because they can still feel social pain. If they feel their friend is absent, they may feel anxiety. They can feel they're gone with danger as pain too. So if you are created such a system, it is inevitable. Even you kill with the best method that won't hurt the pigs. It is like a massacre. It's like a killing humans. So then, like I can say that then we produce humans and kill like this and eat their meat. Can it be happen? No. It is cruel. It cannot be. So it's same with the pig. But it's not a super big sin. They are not as smart as humans. It is true, but this is the thing. And we can see the literature on social behavior and pigs. Social behavior is a key component of pig welfare on farms, but little is known on the development of social behaviors in piglets. The study aimed to explore social behaviors and identify early social styles in suckling piglets. Social behavior of piglets from so they check this. Social nosing represented 87% of all social interactions given. 3 social styles were identified: low solicited inactive animals, active animals, and highly solicited avoiders. So this is not what we expect. We want to see other uh, maintain social harmony. Domestic pigs form complex. So let's say psychology today is a very um, prestigious psychological news place, and it's like maybe one of the most popular in the world. Domestic pigs form complex social groups and engage in different post-conflict behaviors, depending on the identity of the pigs involved. Distantly related pigs are more likely to reconcile after fighting than closely related pigs. Bystander pigs are more likely to intervene after a fight if they are closely related to the aggressor or victim. When living in a social group, it pays to keep the peace. Conflict resolution is an important aspect of the social lives of animals, human and otherwise, and it can take a couple forms. The former opponents may reunite and make up after a conflict. This is known as a reconciliation. Alternatively, a third-party bystander may intervene to reduce further aggression or anxiety. This may be solicited by either victim or the aggressor spontaneously, initiated by the bystander. In a new study, 104 pigs hosted the ethical forum resolves conflict after fighting. Pigs have the required social and cognitive skills for conflict resolution. The domestic pig is a highly social and cognitively advanced species that look how it looks at you, able to discriminate familiar individuals and objects. So what I said is, they can show sensitivity to the internal states of others, and proactively respond to others' distress. So you imagine you are killing their friend, even they didn't see. They will think like, there was a guy here, where it is now. There was a guy here, where it is. Even cats can feel it. Like if someone is missing, they feel anxiety maybe. Cordoni and colleagues observed and recorded interactions between the pigs for 6 months. The researchers say that conflict between pigs are usually short in duration, though they represent perturbing events for the entire group. Aggressive behaviors include chasing, mounting, biting, pushing the nose, body kicking, and head knocking. Conflict resolution behaviors observed immediately afterward involve making nose or body contact with another pig. Cordoni and colleagues report that the pigs in this group engage in both reconciliation and third-party contacts after conflicts. Interestingly, relatedness affected these two post-conflict strategies in different ways. So, since bystander pigs were more likely to intervene if a conflict involved a closely related pig, the researchers suggest that pigs value certain relationships and may support their close relatives. The fact is very interesting. It is literally supporting what I say here. So my friend is gone, where is my friend? The fact that all the post-conflict strategies were skewed by kinship and the function of third-party unsolicited contacts, depended on the contacted individual, once more highlight the complex cognitive abilities of the domestic pig, says Cordoni. Moreover, our results suggest pigs are capable of socio-emotional regulation and social appraisal. Overall, Cordoni says their findings add to the evidence that pigs and humans share similar behavioral strategies for coping with social change when given the opportunity. When domestic pigs are reared under semi-natural conditions, they can freely express their entire behavioral repertoire and naturally interact with one another. This certainly increases the welfare of domestic animals. So, doing this, we can check this study. If some editors will say like, okay, who is Cordoni? Is he a Muslim guy or is he a Muslim researcher? So it doesn't sound like a Muslim name. It's from Italy. The author is from Italy, and it's a published study. Biology. So, you know, this is a famous journal. It's not a bad journal. It has been about 2 impact factor 5 years. So this is interesting. So, and now we understand why it is forbidden, potentially. I'm not saying God say this. Maybe there are other reasons too, possibly. But it's important that in the Quran, God doesn't say that they're dirty, they're unhealthy. And also there are other things in the Quran, like if they're cutted for other rituals, like other gods or something, then don't eat. This is another thing. So that's all I want to mention in this video. Thanks for watching this video and hope to see you in the next video, and God knows better.